Hey guys, Jason Guyman here. I was just going to show you how our very first year as a pressure washer, I made $35,000 on about a $1,000 budget, marketing budget. Pretty cool, huh? But first, I want you to help me out if you would. I am about 200 subscribers from being at 5,000, so please subscribe to our channel. My goal is to get to 10,000 subscribers. So please subscribe. I appreciate it very much. I'll thank you later. Actually, when we get to 5,000, I'll do a contest and where you might be able to win something. So, you don't care about me, you care about why you came how to make $35,000 in 1 year on a $1,000 budget. How's that? Signs, everywhere signs. So today, I'm gonna talk about signs. I see all the time, these people go, they wanna make these signs, and when they make these signs, they go, and you can't read what they're doing. You gotta be able to read this sign from across the road at the stop sign for 2 seconds. If I don't know what you're doing, how are they gonna know what you're doing? So on these signs, you can see, we can see this a mile away. We hang Christmas lights. You need your house washing. They don't care who you are. They don't care about your business. They don't care. They want what you do and how to get a hold of you. And even the website sometimes don't matter. If it's some crazy website that you can't remember, and I did something stupid on this sign, and I put the www in it. I wasn't smart enough not to put www in that one. But hey, here's some signs. You want big phone number, big what you're doing. They don't care about that other crap. They don't care. And you know what I always like to do when I like to go ride around looking at signs, is see what they do. They got all this big writing, I can tell what they do. They got all this little bitty writing, I can't tell what they're doing. So make sure you know what you're doing. If you would like, I will have and here's the deal. Can you do nicer signs? Absolutely, absolutely. But for $5 a sign, $5, I don't care if the city picks it up, and I don't care if they throw it away. It's $5. I can set these suckers all over the place. So, and they come with the big stakes. Look how tall these stakes are. That way, if the grass is tall, it's gonna be above there and you're gonna see it. So with that being said, if you would like some signs, fill out the form on my website and I will get you signs. They're $5 a piece. At 100 of them, it's $500. Guess what? I guarantee it, you will get 2 jobs out of that to pay that back. Guarantee it. You're gonna double your money or if not triple it right out of the gate. Signs work, they've done great. We started to putting them back up at every customer we do, and we also put them on some of the streets, corners, and that kind of stuff. But hey, hope that helps you out. Please subscribe to my channel. I just want to get to 5,000. Then I'll work on 10,000. We got to work on the smaller goals. But hey, thanks and have a great day.